Hello everyone, so in this video we would like to share the work that we finished in a Mitsubishi LANCER RALLIART 2013-2014 model. This car came with the previous install head unit system like this, but there was no sound from the car, and also the previous installation didn't provide external hi-fi microphone, which we already installed here when we finished the system now, and it didn't get proper connection for the steering wheel control, and also it didn't have the GPS sensor installed in the proper way. They throw in the GPS sensor just behind the head unit and put it right there underneath, very loose, and they didn't provide the USB connection ports, which actually has two of them, and currently we already fit them well into the glove box. And also they didn't provide any connection or adapter or anything to connect the reverse camera. So there was no microphone, no steering wheel control, no GPS, no USB connection, no USB port, and no reverse camera, and no sounds. At this moment, everything already fixed. We have the system beautifully working and connect with extra part we provide, including GPS relocation, new microphone, connect the steering wheel control, USB port install, and correctly connect the factory reverse camera into the system. And more importantly, we fit in a dual D-class amplifier, Pioneer brand, under this passenger seat. So if you remember, we tried to show a photo in another one, it actually over here. So it's hard because we already installed it very nicely under the passenger seat. So you can see it here. Okay, so that's the Pioneer one. We installed them here. Okay, two of them. Okay, dual of them, and you can see the blue lighting up, and that's two of the 1 and 2. Why 2? Because one is for the speaker setup and one is for the subwoofer setup. So it sounds very nice at this moment with all the wiring set up correctly and beautifully fit on that one. Yeah, so it's all good, and you can see the factory reverse camera already connected to the new screen. So everything is working beautiful and normal at this moment, and steering wheel control all good. Okay, so yep, that's what we fixed for the car. We didn't provide the head unit before, we didn't provide the frame and a few other things, but now we provide a lot more parts to correct the system and to install the dual Pioneer amplifier to run the sound beautifully in the car. So Mitsubishi LANCER RALLIART 2013, all good, all done, beautiful, and we'll see you soon on the next one.